Have I introduced you to my kids? I'm sure I've introduced you to my kids already. Chewy! Charlie! Oh, Chloe, don't go, baby. Don't go, baby. Come here, baby. Don't go. You see what you did, boys? You scared the girls away. Damn it, boys. You gotta stop scaring the hoes away. Oh, stinky rats. Love you. Love my boys. Love my boys. Make some cute doggy content. Oh, nobody cares you're a ninja, Gio. Let's milk the pack leader. Let's milk the pack leader. I'm a pack leader. Peace. I love you, boys. I love my boys. I love my boys, even though they're jealous little assholes and jealous little jerks. Jealous little jerks. Yes, I sleep on the floor with my dogs. Yeah. Long story. I had bed bugs and I'm all traumatized. I don't like beds no more. So yes, I sleep on the ground with my dogs. Gio's a bum. I'm not a bum. I'm not a bum. You know, I'm unemployed. Yes, but I'm between jobs. Between jobs. I still got 9 other jobs. They just don't pay very much. You know. I'm a YouTuber, but I don't get money from YouTube. I'm a ninja. I don't get money from being a ninja. I'm a gardener, but you know, it's only enough to feed me. You know, I don't grow enough to sell. Let's see what else. I'm an artist, but nobody's paying me for my art. Oh my goodness, pack leader, obviously. Then that just pays in love. That pays dividends in love. But that's it. Let's see what else. Let's see. Savior of the world. You know that pays. You know, by saving the world. That's my payment there. You know, no nuclear war. You know. But that doesn't pay very much. Let's see what else. My dancer. Yeah, I could dance till my feet fall off. Ain't nobody gonna pay me. You know. Hey Gaga, if you're watching this, I'll dance with you. I'll dance for free. That's my problem. I'm a ninja marketer. Yes, I do ninja marketing for Dan McFarlane at the Post and for Art Club at the Post. But they know I do it for free, so Art Club is not paying me. I must reiterate, I do not represent Art Club in any way. I'm doing this purely on a volunteer basis. I have to say that now because I don't want to get in trouble with Art Club. I love me some Art Club. Check it out. Giovanni is the most memberiest member of Art Club. I have been to Art Club more times than any other human being other than, of course, the staff. And I don't want to be staff at Art Club because I play too much. Art Club is where I go play. So I can't work there because, you know, then it won't be fun no more. But yes. I do ninja marketing. So if anybody wants me to get the word out about your product, I will post posters all over town. I'll take pictures and selfies and post them on Facebook and Snapchat and, you know, whatever social media has not banned me. Gio gets banned a lot. I don't know why. I guess my memes are too fire. Yes, Giovanni has like 10 jobs, but none of them pay. It's all volunteer work, but I'm investing in the future. I know one day I'm going to have my office downtown with a scenic view and I'm helping out the dolphins and the puppies and the humans and we're going to heal this world. I can feel it. Things are lining up into place, you know. God will sort this out. He does not want this world to end in nuclear fire, and neither does Gio. This life is rare. The universe is infinite. But life, it's very rare. We need to take care of this planet. We need to make sure no giant meteor, no nuclear war, no Ebola virus, freaking COVID death, this 2025 death thing. No. Cute babies forever. Cute babies as far as the eye can see. What happens on Earth now affects the entire galaxy. We cannot let life come to an end. Jill, Zen brother, stop crying, you little bitch. I love you. I love you all. Love each other. Love is the key. We are love. God is love. Go out there and spread the love. Help Giovanni. I beg of thee. Help me heal this bitch. I'm not just some weirdo from Texas, okay? I'm on a legit mission to save this planet. I need your help. I can't do it alone. Help me. Like, subscribe, share. Spread the good word. I know, some weirdo likes to sleep on the floor with his dogs. I get it. But I have an important message. I have an important message that needs to get out. And I would appreciate your help. Mr. Charlie would appreciate your help. Because Charlie wants to make more Charlies. But if the world ends, there's no more Charlies. Mr. Shadow, Mr. Chewy Shadow, Chewbacca. He wants to make more Chewies. Help me make more Chewies. I can't make more clothes. She's been spayed. You know, obviously. Otherwise, I'd have a million puppies. All right, y'all. Help a brother out. I love you. Besitos. You want to play? All right, let's do this, bitch. Let's do this.